Just come to share with you a journal kit that I've put together, and there's quite a lot of pieces. I can't remember exactly how many pieces, but I know there's lots. There is papers, bags, book pages, there's ephemera, there is doilies and napkins and pockets and, well, lots of envelopes. Anyway, this will be listed in my shop. There is still 10% discount until the end of tomorrow, which is the 28th of February. So I'm going to move some of this out of the way so that I can start where I want to start. Right, let's start with this. So I put coffee dyed paper together. There's 10 sheets of coffee dyed paper. Oh, and I've ripped that one, so I will replace that. When I folded it over, I will replace that now. So 10 of them. There is 2 of the lined paper, which has been coffee dyed, 2 of the squared coffee dyed, and like I said, 10 of these. And I'm going to fold them in half because that makes it easier for posting, because obviously it makes a big difference when you have a bigger package. So there's 10 of them, and 14 of them altogether. There is 2 of these large flower pages, which is from a book called, I can't see it because I've sat stuff on top of it now, it's like a big encyclopedia of flowers. So there's that one, and then there's that one. You can cut all them out or use them as pages. Then there is, and these have just been ripped out of a book, a notebook, so there's 2 of them. Then we have little envelopes, another little envelope, another little envelope. Lots of things to make pockets and tucks with in your journals. Some little coin envelopes here. These are some little, they're actually like the jelly bean soup pockets, but these are actually shop bought. There is 2 jelly bean soup pockets that I've die cut. Another 2 envelopes. There's this big envelope. We have some guest checks. I think there's 4 there altogether. Yeah, cold hands. Yep, there's definitely 4 there. There is 2 index cards, 2 large window envelopes. There is some vintage book page. Not sure what that's out of. Then we have 4, and this is the Pitman's shorthand book. These are from Edith Holden. These are from Edith Holden as well. We have 2 little, don't know what you call them again, sayings that you can alter. There is a repair tag. There is a guest check. There is a bridge scorecard. There is a time card. There is 2 more paper bags. This is I think it's a definition pages. There's 4 of them. So you can keep them as they are, or you could coffee dye them yourself. There is some more, I think this is Greek. It's upside down. Greek to English dictionary. So there's 4 of them. Just, my hands are so cold I can't seem to do anything. We've had some really lovely weather, and today's the last day, and they've gave out snow for next week. It's really freaky. 2 squared index cards, 2 medium-sized index cards, 2 jumbo index cards. There is 2 paper bags, and they're gusseted at the sides. So there's 2 of them. Love the noise of them. There is some tickets and some tabs. 4 of them that I've punched out. There is, how many doilies? 5 doilies here. 5 doilies there. It's an odd number. Throw another one in there, I think. Some large doilies. These have been coffee dyed. There is this frame found in my stash. Be nice on the front cover of a journal. There is these. These are from Tim Holtz. Well, these aren't actually. These are from Tim Holtz, from the Botanicals die cuts. We have butterflies, some more flowers, another butterfly. These are just some little cards that I have in my stash. They're all birdies. We have 4 corner flip ups, so they flip up like that, so you can put them on a page that way or that way. There is 2 of the side pockets, paper clip them closed, so you would glue them onto your page like that, just along here and there, and then you can open it up and ta-da, you've got lots of journaling space. So there's 2 of them. There's 4 envelopes that have been decorated, and then there's 2 of these. One is a lefty, one is a righty, as in you would put that on your left hand page, and you would open it out and you've got all that journaling space. So that just tucks in there like so. So there's 2 of them, and then there is 4 doilies, not doilies, napkins. The ones with the birds, ones with the flowers. This is really pretty. I love the bucket with the flowers. And then there's one with butterflies. So, whoops, that is the kit. Like I said, it will be listed in my shop, and if you have any questions, just ask and I will be happy to answer. I'll get round to answer them. And I'm going to be making some more of the bear journals with little ephemera packs, not as big as I've done yesterday or the day before. So I'm going to make some smaller ephemera packs and journals. That way obviously they're a little bit cheaper and affordable. So I'll be doing that over the next couple of days as well. So I hope you're all having a good day, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.